It's me, Tigger. And being safe is my Tigger playpen. One blustery day in the Hundred Acre Wood, a little bear named Winnie the Pooh set off in search of honey.
Look, Mama, look! I'm a kite! Hang on tightly, Roo!
Happy Wednesday!
Ooh!
We'll save you, Piglet!
First the wind, and now this.
Whee! This is fun!
Goodness gracious! Hello! Totally wrecked it away! Beware! Beware! Heffalumps, steal honey. Beware! Beware!
I have a lungs. He's very confusing. But if they're so choosers, before your eyes you'll see them multiply. Because they come in they love it because they guzzle up the Lakeview prize.
What a wonderful dream!
Wake up, Pooh! Wake up! Wake up, Pooh!
Oh boy, it's your birthday!
It's time for your party, Pooh! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday! Hooray! Happy birthday!
Hooray!
I'm sure you'll find my present to be quite delicious.
Goodness gracious!
You'll never guess what it is.
The wonderful thing about Tigger is they give their birthday presents.
Oh, that was fun.
These are all